Hey everyone, it's CNC Keith here with yet again another CNC DIY video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the built-in Windows screen capture software called the Snipping Tool. Now the Snipping Tool is really nice for taking screen captures of your Acorn Wizard settings. So if you're posting a question on the forum, you might get asked, hey, show us what your Wizard screenshot settings are. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So come on down here to the search bar in Windows 10 and type in snip. And you will see the Snipping Tool app appear at the top of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and double click on that and it appears. Now I just clicked on CNC 12 when it appeared and the snipping app disappeared. So where is the snipping app? Well, when I clicked on CNC 12, what I told Windows to do was bring CNC 12 in focus, bring it to the top of the pile. So if I have a whole bunch of windows open right now, so right now I have a browser open, but if I come out here on the blue and I click on CNC 12, it automatically comes to the top. So if you don't see the snipping tool, make sure that you have the snipping tool startup icon in your taskbar, because it's very nice and easy and convenient to just simply click on that icon and voila, the snipping tool magically appears so that I can start creating screen captures. Now I just made a nice screen capture, the CNC 12 home screen, and if I want to save that, I hit the little floppy disk icon and give it a name, CNC 12 screenshot. Saves it as a PNG file, and now you're ready to post that on the forum to get some good advice. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and drag this over here and click close to close out the snipping tool. Let me show you a little problem that some people run into. Is I just started the snipping tool down here at the bottom, touching the icon. Sometimes the snipping tool, as I see when I drag this to the right, it gets stuck behind the VCP. No matter how much clicking on the snipping tool or how much typing in the snipping tool search bar, it will not appear. This is an easy problem to solve. All you got to do is close out CNC 12 or any other Windows for that matter and grab a hold of the snipping tool. If it's not here, start it up, because it always remembers the last location that it was left. So it's very important to leave the snipping tool in a place that you'll be able to see it when CNC 12 is running. Okay, I'm restarting CNC 12 after moving the snipping tool application, and let's see what happens. CNC 12 starts with the VCP, guess what? On top. So to see the snipping tool, I click the icon in the taskbar and voila, it appears. Alrighty, let's see what happens when I start the Acorn Wizard, which is yet another window that is forced on top of the pile. I'm going to single click on the snipping tool taskbar and it appears on top of the wizard. If you click on the wizard, it disappears. If you want to get your taskbar, or if you want to get your snipping tool back, just click on the icon in the taskbar and it appears. So here you go. I click on the wizard, which gives the wizard focus. If I want the snipping tool back, I click on the snipping tool icon, click new, and now I am making beautiful screenshots of my Acorn Wizard. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps.